Today it's time to build a monochromatic flower. Hi, it's Therese from Lostinpaper, and I've got the new Build a Flower Columbine for Altenew, and I'm going to share a really simple and quick design with you today, layering up this stamp monochromatically. I wanted to do sort of a black and white style card, or like almost a sepia colour. Often I do use just one colour to layer up these flowers, but I wanted the whole card to have that look, and I've chosen to use the Rock collection of inks. Now I'm working on a piece of cardstock here. It's a heavyweight Nina. It's 110 pound solar white, and I've placed my flower down in the bottom right portion and layering it according to the stamp packaging. It is really easy to follow the guide, and I am using the MISTI, which is really helpful too. So if you do want to do multiples of the flower, then it's easy to do this with the MISTI, seeing as you're taking the time to actually layer up the stamps. I have used these colours in order because often I'll mix and match my Altenew inks, but today I actually stuck to the 4 colours that are in the set. So the limestone, silverstone, industrial diamond and the pure graphite. And I've done the 3 layers initially on the outer petals of the flower, and now I'm working on the centre. I decided to come in with the limestone again rather than add a separate colour or a separate tone, and on this final layer here I actually added the darkest colour, which is the pure graphite, and I think that just gave the whole flower that little bit more depth. And for the stamen, I left the actual stems of the stamen white and did the pure graphite on the ends of the stamen. So it has, I don't know, it's 6 or 7 different layers to this flower, but it builds up so beautifully. It also comes with a stem, and I wanted the stem to look like it's behind the petals. So because I'm not die cutting this out, I'm actually working straight on my panel for the card front. I did create a quick mask using some stamping mask paper, and I'm coming in with the limestone yet again and just stamping out that over top of my mask paper. Now I found that this is actually just a little bit too light for me, so I've got the silverstone and I'm only adding it to one edge of the stems just to give it a bit of shadow, and I like that effect much better. And the sentiment today, I wasn't really sure where I was going to go with this, so I have a couple of the different sentiments from the same set, and I thought it would make a good sympathy card or a hello card. And basically this is a cheat thing that I do. I just stamp it onto an acetate sheet that I can wipe off after and move it around on my card front until I'm really happy with the placement before I commit. It just helps me visualize what the final card's going to look like. And I did stamp that with some obsidian black ink. You could do monochromatic stamping in any colours. It doesn't have to be in the black and white, or I was thinking about adding a grey leaf here, but wanted to keep it really clean and simple, so I didn't bother adding a leaf in the end. But this would look really pretty if it was just all greens or all pinks or all blues, just for something different. And I did add some of the satin white sequins. So head to my blog and you'll find the links to the hop there and lots more inspiration for this beautiful build a flower. Thanks for joining me today. If you like this video, I'd be really grateful if you could click on that thumbs up button to let me know that you did, and subscribe if you haven't already. Till next time, happy paper crafting. Bye.